Remember, to speak, sprechen. To speak, sprechen. Stress on the first syllable, sprechen. In the last lesson, you learned the formal you, and the formal way to say you speak, Sie sprechen. You speak, Sie sprechen. Now we're going to take a look at the informal you, the informal way to say you speak. The informal you is du, and the verb form that accompanies this is sprichst. Sprichst. This is a little tough. The CH sound is h, and then you have to follow it with the st. Sprichst. Sprichst. That's a lot of consonants together with one vowel. Sprichst. Du sprichst. Keep practicing and you'll get it. It takes a little practice, that's all. Du sprichst. You speak. Du sprichst. Du sprichst. Du sprichst. Okay, so we also learned English in the last lesson. English, English, English. English, English. Stress on the eng, English. So let's put it all together now. You want to make a statement. You speak English. Remember, you are addressing someone that you know well, a friend or a family member. So you won't use Sie, you will use du. So put it all together. You speak English. Du sprichst English. Du sprichst English. You speak English. Du sprichst English. German, Deutsch. Deutsch. So put it all together. You speak German. Du sprichst Deutsch. Du sprichst Deutsch. You speak German. Du sprichst Deutsch. Du sprichst Deutsch. Now let's ask the question. Do you speak? Remember, to ask a question, you reverse the verb and subject order. So we do the conjugated verb first and then the subject. So you know how to say du sprichst. Just reverse it. And you have sprichst du. Sprichst du. Sprichst du. Sprichst du. Do you speak? Sprichst du. Do you speak English? Sprichst du Englisch? Sprichst du Englisch? Do you speak English? Sprichst du Englisch? Sprichst du Englisch? Okay, so now we can take a look at our other languages. Let's review. So you speak is du sprichst. If I want to say you speak English, du sprichst Englisch. You speak German, du sprichst Deutsch. You speak Spanish, du sprichst Spanisch. You speak French, du sprichst Französisch. You speak Italian, du sprichst Italienisch. You speak Portuguese, du sprichst Portugiesisch. Now I want to ask the question, do you speak? So do you speak English? Sprichst du Englisch? Do you speak German? Sprichst du Deutsch? Do you speak Spanish? Sprichst du Spanisch? Do you speak French? Sprichst du Französisch? Do you speak Italian? Sprichst du Italienisch? Do you speak Portuguese? Sprichst du Portugiesisch? When you're ready to go to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on the screen.